Good morning, everyone. On behalf of my seller in West Africa, Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone, this is Wilhelmina Ford. We would like to greet you a pleasant Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Now, we are now on December 23rd. I'm just updating the price of gold, but the procedures are all the same. You have to pay for it. We don't bring the gold to your doorstep. You need to place your order and you need to have a capital and you need to show your credential. Just like when you apply for a job, you prepare your resume. Buying gold exactly the same. You have to prepare whether you are capable to pay. You need to prepare that you have standby available fund in your bank account to pay the gold. Gold is not CIF, cost insurance and freight. Gold is not SBLC. Gold is not for credit. This is FOB. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, I've been searching for gold for many years or many months. We would like to do the due diligence KYC. My dear buyer, if you're watching me, I am the one who will do the due diligence about you. That is the reason why I put all necessary requirement that you are going to comply. On this video, subscribe and click below. You read the full corporate offer. We no longer keep sending FCO, then you're gonna say, we want to have a KYC. I'm the one who will do the due diligence about you so that I will determine whether you are a buyer or not. If you are dealing with a joker broker collecting information from my platform, that is fine because the procedure are all the same. Whether you like it or not, you have to pay for it. We don't ask you upfront because gold is not for upfront. You have to travel, inspect in the office before you pay. Then we can do the processing of the export documentation like ASI report, attestation, certificate of clearance, custom clearance, etc., etc. So, Mr. Buyer, don't be a fool. This gold business is a lucrative business. This is not for you if you're just thinking that you make money. Yes, you can make money if you have a capital. But if you're going to leverage, you wouldn't make money because the owner of the gold would not give his gold for free. You have to place your order. You have to introduce yourself. When you found this video, listen to this video from the beginning to the end, and then subscribe and click below. Give me a comment or give me a thumb if you fully understood. If you don't understand, then therefore you are not a buyer. You are just a time waster. This is not for you if you waste the time. Now, the price of gold, you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the price of gold? The price of gold, it varies day to day. Now, last year or previous year, I warned everyone that there is a prediction that the gold will rise, skyrocket. I was correct. Now, the price today, 4,455.76 per ounce in dollars term today, December 23, in dollars term, 143 to 68,000.90. Again, 143,280.80. Now I can see on my screen the price of gold rising, 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 rising. Now, Mr. Buyer, I don't know if you meet the criteria because if you come for conference, Wilhelmina will do the KYC of you. Open your camera. I want to interview you whether you're a buyer or not. Right. You don't need to be scared to open your camera because our conversation is live conference. I want to find out whether you are really serious or not. Do not pretend that you are a buyer because if I'm going to interview you, how long you've been searching for gold, and then you're gonna say, I am a buyer. Oh yeah? So if you've been a buyer, Why you cannot find the gold? Why you come to Wilhelmina? And then you're gonna say, I have a buyer. Now you're talking. You are deceiving yourself. Don't be a fool. Don't lie. Just tell me, Wilhelmina, I am acting on behalf of the buyer. Wilhelmina, I am the buyer. I would like to listen to you, your needs, because I'm going to interview you. Right? And then you're gonna say, well, Amina, send me the FCO. No, I'm not going to send you the FCO. The FCO is in front of you. Whether you search on Facebook, Facebook is very thorough. I put everything necessary requirement that you convince us. And then when you convince me, I'm the one will determine which seller I'm going to take you to Africa. Either I'm gonna take you to Mali, either you're gonna take you to Sierra Leone or Conakry. So I am going to interview you. I'm going to use business psychology. I'm going to psychologize you whether you meet the criteria or not. Now going back to the price. As I mentioned a while ago, the price of gold is getting higher and higher. The price of gold is 143,200 today. That is refined. Okay? Now, unrefined with this gold bar dory is 131,015 today. So, you're going to say, oh, too expensive. Don't be involved in gold business if you don't have a capital because you are buying expensive item. You're going to say, well, Amina, do you think I make money? Yes, you can make money if you have a capital. Now, well, Amina, is there any room for negotiation? Yes, there is. I will be the one to determine whether you are capable to secure gold or not. Our selling price today, less 5%. Previous year, I said our selling price less 8% tax included. But because the price of gold is getting higher and the world is on panic and the short supply, we control the supply. You are not controlling the supply. You are begging Wilhelmina to get the supply. So that's the reason why I want to interview you whether you are really a buyer or not. There's a lot of fake offer. Go for it. Now, Mr. Buyer, our selling price 131,200. Now it's getting higher and higher. So don't bank on it because you have not confirmed. You are just searching. And then when you reach on YouTube, you bump into this video. Take time, relax, read the full corporate offer, and subscribe. Click below, read the full corporate offer thoroughly. And if you meet the criteria, that is the time you come for conference. Okay? And I'm not going to respond to any messages on my YouTube channel. I know because I have a monitor that you've been visiting my YouTube channel. It's okay. Knowledge is worth a fortune, you must remember. Seller would not explain to you like this. No, he wouldn't because the seller says, why should I explain? You know, gold is money. You have the good money, we have the gold. But Wilhelmina is trying to expand so that you will comprehend because you think that Africa is just Africa. No, African sellers are getting clever. He would not give his gold for free. You're gonna say, oh, I wanna buy no upfront. There is no upfront. You are buying money to make money. Money will not come to you. Gold is king. He who has the gold makes the rule. And my head office is making the rules. I am here to assist you. I am here to educate you. You are using Wilhelmina's services. Right. And there's a lot of joker broker floating around collecting information from my YouTube channel, collecting information from my Facebook platform. That is fine. You are a winner because no seller will explain to you thoroughly. None whatsoever. The seller said, hey, here's my gold. Come, come, come. Where is your money? Don't trouble without preparation. Do not. Guarantee you are going to fail. Do not trouble that someone offer you cheap price because gold is not cheap. You need to pay the gold because gold is taxable. There is tax on it. You're gonna say, oh well, Amina, I don't want to pay taxes. Well, that is normal in your country. You buy grocery plus government sales tax. You buy property plus GST. You buy anything plus GST. Buying gold exactly the same plus government sales tax. All right? Now, the reason why I'm putting everything to the world, to tell the world that we are here to do business. My seller, Hardwell Amina. I am the extension of the seller. At the same time, I am your business facilitator. Now, I'm not going to educate you because I'm already explaining through this video, and you need to go through and click below and subscribe. If you're not satisfied, go on my platform on Facebook. Still, if you cannot satisfied, come on conference, open your camera. I'm going to ask you how long you've been searching for gold. And then you're gonna say, oh well, Amina, I've been searching for gold. There's so many scammer. You're one of the scammer. The scammer means you are deceiving yourself thinking you can get the gold. No, you will not get the gold cheap price. So don't say that, oh, there's a lot of scammer. You are one of the scammer. That is the reason why you fail, because the seller will reject you. There was a buyer that I took to Africa, and I given him 60,000 November 12, 2024. I warned the buyer that the price will goes up. But because he has a limited cash, I've given him $60,000 per kilo. I really negotiated him, okay, on his behalf, and we traveled together. That buyer was a devious buyer, father and son from United Kingdom. Devious buyer, he go behind my back. And I wasn't aware that he was talking to a lot of sellers. And then when you talk to a lot of sellers, the seller will tell you, be careful, be careful. So this father and son was scared. Why are you gonna be scared for? I am with you, and then I'm taking you to the seller, but he didn't meet the criteria because his budget is very, very minimal. So I told him, okay, let us reduce the kilo during the time 2024. Let us reduce to 7 kilos because your money is only $600,000. So he kept on bargaining and bargaining and bargaining, not knowing he was talking to different seller. And then he go behind my back. What happened? Failure. Now, Mr. Buyer, you are going to fail if you are not paying attention. My services is non-refundable. That is the reason why I always mention I do charge my extra service to accompany you. When I accompany you to sign the contract, you will be invoiced in advance after I advise the seller to proceed. Now remember, I have different sellers. So I will put you to a seller that I'm going to take you. If there is an issue, I could find a backup that this buyer, this father and son, he think that he's clever. The father is very clever. They are Indian. They live in United Kingdom. He bullied me. Yeah? He threatened me. Australia has no jurisdiction. The gold is in Africa. The jurisdiction is you pay my extra service non-refundable. I'm going to invoice you before we travel together, before you sign the contract and all necessary requirement. Then that is the time I'm going to invoice you. Now, why I'm gonna charge you of my extra service of $20,000? Now you are buying money here. My services is also expensive. You're buying expensive item. What is $20,000? You're spending $1,000,000. So which one you like, Mr. Buyer? I am giving you two options. If I'll travel together with you, I will renegotiate the price. I'm going to ask the head office to give you 8%. Okay? Tax included. Whatever the price today. Now, 143,421, though the price is ups and down. less 8% when I travel with you. Tax included. I will bargain on your behalf. Now, if I'm not going to travel with you, less 5%. Which one you like? 5% or 8%? If I'm with you, if you're a wise buyer, I rather be with Wilhelmina so that Wilhelmina can guide me. 20,000 is peanuts for you. You are spending $1,000,000. Now you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, is it profitable? Yes, it is profitable. Every bar, when I bargain on your behalf, if I'll negotiate on your behalf, in every bar, your profit from $6,000 to $8,000 or $10,000 per kilo. Now we don't sell 1 kilo. There is a minimum because you have to cover your expenses. Now 20 kilos is enough for you to get the profit. Why? Because there is an expenses, airfare, hotel accommodation, taxes. So therefore, if you cannot afford to pay my extra service, you cannot afford to pay the gold. And you have a limited cash. Stay away if you have limited cash. Stay away on this gold business because this gold business is profitable. Now I watched this marketing from Dubai. Dubai now there are surplus of properties. Okay, they are marketing about properties in Dubai. That is good marketing. I am also marketing on behalf of the seller. The seller hired Wilhelmina. Now you must remember, don't be confused. Don't be naive. You're buying $1,000,000 here. This is my virtual office and based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. There is no gold here. Gold in Africa. You come to Wilhelmina for interview, whether you trust us or whether I believe you that you are a buyer. I would only believe you when you show me your credential. After our conversation, I'm going to ask you how long you've been searching for gold. Oh, Wilhelmina, I went to Kampala, I lost money. Whose problem is that? Yours. Wilhelmina, I went to Ghana, I didn't get the gold. Whose problem is that? It's yours. Wilhelmina, I went to Town Center, I was being deceived. Whose fault is that? It's yours. Why? You're not well prepared. I am here preparing for you. That is why you're paying my extra service. Does that make sense? Now, going back to this price. At the moment, December 23, our selling price on Dory Bar is 131.37. So the price goes on up and down. So you go on the world market, www.goldprice.org. You will see the movement of gold. Now, we are based on the world market. Okay? There's a saying, gold is king. He who has the gold makes the roll. Who is making the roll? The country. The seller is following the rules of the country. You cannot take the gold out of the country without full export documentation that you have paid the gold bank to bank. Okay? Now, you're going to stay in Africa more than 6 to 7 days because when you transfer your payment from your bank account to the seller's bank account, it would take 3 working days to clear the payment. Now, Mr. Buyer, I just want to clarify. Don't be naive. Excuse my language. Don't be idiot. Okay? When you buy gold, you need to have a contract. And you need to prove that your money is clean. Now, the government has changed. You need to produce money laundering certificate. Why? Whether your money is dirty, because your bank manager will say, oh, why are you buying gold in Africa? Because Africa is noted of gold laundering. Africa is noted of gold smuggling. And your money as well would be verified by your bank manager. So therefore, you need to apply money laundering certificate because when you transfer big amount in Africa, your money would be frozen because the government will say, oh, why this guy transferring money in Africa? Maybe his money coming from dirty money. So you need to have a certificate of money laundering before you travel. Did the seller explain to you like this? None whatsoever. I am very kind and generous. Information is vital. That is the reason why you're paying my extra service. Now, this information is free for you, Mr. Buyer. And if you don't like it, go somewhere else. Now, let's be honest, Mr. Buyer. Don't be a fool. Don't think that the gold will come to you. I have interviewed a lot of fake buyers. Reject, reject, reject. There was a buyer, he knows me, and then he come back to me. And I told him, I know you. Why you just come back? Oh, well, Amina, I was naive. Well, it is your problem, not my problem. Just read the full corporate offer on this video. When you found my old video, the procedure are all the same, except the selling price. Because once the gold is high, our selling price changes as well. But however, as I've said to you, if you're a real buyer, come for conference after you watch this video. Come for conference that you are really a buyer. You are applying to purchase. You need to be prepared. I don't want to deal with you that, oh, well, Amina, I want to have a KPC. I want to do the due diligence about you. I am going to do the due diligence about you first. Then when I'm satisfied, then you show me your business registration. Show me your importation license. Show me your passport. Show me your proof of fund. And show me your money laundering certificate after our conversation. If you show me that, I will review that. Then I would believe that you're a buyer. Then you will receive a confirmation of your order because we will confirm your order and I'm going to vouch you that I have validated you. I'm going to send this to my head office. I will determine which seller I'm going to put you. If you are from Dubai, Conakry is direct flight. If you want gold in Sierra Leone or Mali, we have tons of gold. But you wouldn't get the tons of gold unless you have a capital. The capital is the most important. Now, going back to this promotion, I promote Africa. That is the reason why you found this video. A few seconds ago, I mentioned about Dubai, right? Dubai selling one apartment about $800,000. Then in return, you get the profit, 5% return, because that is your investment. Your investment is gold. Your profit, every bar, is 6,000 or 7,000 or 8,000 or 10,000. It depends on how I'm going to assist you. It depends on how you convince Walamina. So in every bar, let's say your profit is 8,000. Okay? 8,000 times 20 kilos. Your profit is 160,000. Now, you buy property in Dubai. Okay? You invest 800,000 or 870,000. The return is 5% a year. Okay? Then you're paying management fee. You're paying a lot of fees when you buy property in Dubai. Yes, Dubai is a tax-free. You don't pay taxes. That's fine. In gold, we are selling to you tax included. But you pay the premium. Now you increase your order. For a year, your profit is 80% compared to buy investment property in Dubai. Can you get the logic here? I know Dubai. I've been to Dubai many times. Every time I travel, I always stop over in Dubai because most of the buyer, 98.9 buyers from Dubai. Where the gold coming from? From Africa. They buy gold in Africa to refine it into different uses. Refine it into jewelry, $1, $2, bracelet, earrings, false state, etc., etc. So that is not my business to explain to you. It is your business because you're a businessman. You know that gold is precious. Don't be a fool that you think that the gold will come to you. No, the gold will not come to you. Now, we are now on the modern, right? My seller in Conakry accept bank to bank or USDT. He is the only seller who will accept that. Now, November the 3rd, my seller deliver gold in Dubai, 26 kilos. One bar is 10 kilos. Second bar is 16 kilos. In total of 26 kilos. Gold arrived in the hand of the Korean buyer because he wanted to bring the gold to Dubai to refine it. Successful. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, I want to see the performance of the seller. We don't give the name of the buyer. You will see the performance when you come to the office. You perform, then you will see the performance. Without that, we don't divulge our customer. That is a privacy. I rejected. I know my sellers and credential. I know the sellers in a buyer's credential because I am their extension. I have two positions, a business facilitator of yours and the seller's extension. Now, Mr. Buyer, do you understand that gold is money you're buying? And you're gonna say, well, Amina, I am the buyer. Bring the gold in Korea in the airport. Big no. You are a smuggler. We don't smuggle gold. Before you get the gold, you will be invited as a company guest. You inspect your order. Then you inspect it. Then we will test the gold. Then when you're happy, that is the time you pay the gold. Now you're going to say, oh, well, Amina, what is the guarantee? The guarantee is you come, you discuss, establish your business relationship because I'm going to be with you. I know my seller, right? If you're not happy, then you're going to say, well, Amina, can you find another seller? Yes, I will. That is why all our conversation is recorded. And when I vouch you, I will send the live video conference of ours to my head office so that the head office will listen. Then the head office say, okay, well, Amina, let us proceed. Then you will receive the contract. I will gather your information like your banking details, your address, where the gold to be delivered, etc., etc. So it's very thorough. Now this video is for you, Mr. Buyer. Now you must remember, next year, 2026, the price of gold is getting higher. There is a prediction that the price of gold will turn to 5,000 per ounce. 5,000 per ounce times 32.15 in dollars term. This could be. So, Mr. Buyer, do you have this money? You're not buying refined, Mr. Buyer. The refined gold belong to the bank. Refined gold belong to the refinery. So, out of this, the world market price, you are buying raw material which is Doribar less 5%. Tax included. Okay? So the seller would not give his gold. Now, because you are paying my extra service, I will vouch you. I will ask the head office, let us give the buyer less 8%. Tax included. So at the end of the day, you're a winner. What is $20,000? Now, next year, I am also charging $25,000 for my service. Why? My trip is very expensive. Now, the airline is getting higher. The hotel accommodation is no longer cheap. The food is no longer cheap. My miscellaneous expenses is not cheap. So you need to prepare that you have $1,000,000. If you don't have $1,000,000, get away from this business. I have a buyer standby. He showed me his proof of fund. He showed me his business registration. He showed me his registration in Dubai. He showed me his passport copy. So he is ready. But I told him that today, December, I'm going away. I'm going overseas, okay, to attend my nephew's wedding reception because I am one of the sponsor. So this buyer this buyer, he said, Wilhelmina, I was being scammed before. I would not believe any seller offer. I believe you, Wilhelmina, and he knows me, this buyer. He knows me. So he's going to travel with me. I told him I would be available February. So I'll be back in Australia February. So I told him I can fly from Philippines to Dubai. I will meet you in Dubai, then we will travel to Africa. I'm going to the Philippines to attend my nephew's wedding ceremony. So does that make sense? Where are you going to find a person like me? Brokers would not explain to you, Mr. Buyer. They are just asking NC NDA. I don't sign NC NDA no more. We will send you the contract. You read the contract, return the contract, then we will proceed. You will receive a landing visa that you are a company guest. Does that make sense now, Mr. Buyer? Now, Mr. Buyer, we are now on December 23rd. Spend your loved one. Enjoy your Christmas. I shall see you January. Even though I'm on holiday, don't hesitate to contact me because I'm everywhere. My virtual office is portable. Meaning to say, you can contact me on WhatsApp, or meaning to say you can contact me on Messenger, meaning to say you can contact me on Botem. Because Dubai, you cannot have a video call on WhatsApp, only Botem. Does that make sense? Now, I think I already explained the procedure are all the same. If you found the old video, just read the full corporate offer. It only changed the price. Now, if you want to see more, come on my platform on Facebook. I will put my link on Facebook, on YouTube, because the best site is on YouTube. All of my buyer coming from YouTube and Facebook. Now, today you can buy things on Facebook. There's so many marketing, there's so many advertisement on Facebook. I also advertise that Africa is the main source of gold. So I am the advertising person as well. I have two jobs, you must remember. I advertise that Africa is the main source of supply. So you make sense now, Mr. Baya? Most of the joker broker doesn't like me. Well, that is their problem. I was talking to a guy from United Kingdom. He has a sophisticated website. Well, Amina, I am on LinkedIn. I want to see your profile on LinkedIn. I told this guy, I remove my profile on LinkedIn. Most of the LinkedIn network are joker broker. LinkedIn is the best site to connect people. But this joker broker, they are abusing the system. I get out. I told this buyer, I remove my LinkedIn profile. I prefer to talk to the buyer directly, and the buyer can see me on my YouTube profile and on my Facebook. So when I interview this buyer, he's not a buyer. He created a website. I review his website, no much information, and he asked me, well, Amina, can you teach me? Can you imagine that? I told him I don't teach people. Why should I give you my secret? I rather give my secret to the buyer, not a chain of joker broker. No. If you bump into my video, you learn out of that. When the seller hired me, my seller didn't teach me. That is the reason why they hired me, because I used to be in real estate. I am a marketer, right? The seller hired me. So the seller have no time to deal with the joker broker, joker buyer. The seller hired me because they believe on me that, well, Amina, you screen the buyer before we gonna invite the buyer, before we issue the landing visa. That is fair. Do you understand now, Mr. Baya? Once again, a pleasant Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year on behalf of my seller from Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone, and Wilhelmina. We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please don't hesitate. Our head office closed already. The the production has been closed. It would be resume the production January 10 or January 5. But we have stock. You come to Walamina, I can knock in the office that we have a buyer. I can still do business even though Christmas or after New Year. I am here to assist you because I know you are screaming. I know you are crying for supply. Your business would not function without the supply. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. If you went to school, if you have an economic subject, listen to that professor of yours when you were taking an economic subject. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. Now we are now on the highest point of the price. Okay? The supply is the most important. The demand is the world market demand that gold is the highest demand. So now, Mr. Baya, I am here to assist you. Don't be scared. Come and talk to Wilhelmina on live video call conference. I want to see whether you are real or not. Then I can reject you on the spot. My question is, how long you've been searching for gold? What can I do for you? Tell me about you. If I can sense that you are not telling the truth, I'm going to say good luck and I'm sorry I am not able to assist you. That is my language. Okay?